How's your nap? Happy freaking Sunday and welcome to snowy Reno, Nevada. First off today, a little bit of Jeep maintenance. I need to replace a brake light, just the bulb, and also do an oil change. A little bit later start to the day, so if I can just accomplish those today, I'll be happy with it. It was actually on a vlog when I found out my brake light was bad, editing it. I have about 3,500 miles on Jade since I started the road trip, so she's definitely in need of an oil change. We got a little bit of a break from the snow right now, but it was coming down like crazy earlier as you saw. It's probably gonna start up again while we're out here. The weather's crazy around here in Reno. It'll be sunshine, snow blizzard, sunshine, rain, hail, back to sunshine, back to the snow blizzard. You never know what's going on.
Dude, I don't get it. I don't get it either.
Perfect. I'll just hit the brake quick.
Nothing.
In the driver's side?
Go for it. Nothing. Turn your headlights. Those work. The headlights work.
I got it. Let's see if it works.
Nothing.
Oh yeah, that one actually looks like it's burnt
Yeah,
out.
it does look like it's broke.
Turn on the hazards ones. That one worked right away. So that bulb is good and this right side is good. This left side doesn't matter if the bulb's good, it's not getting power right here. Just gonna grab the voltmeter out. Voila! And these. I'm just gonna turn on the hazards again and we can check to see if it's actually getting any power. Yeah, that side it's showing.
It's popping up and down to like 12 or 13.
Now let's see if this side is.
That's the way the other one was too.
Was it?
It's not getting as much.
In conclusion, both taillights work, but only the passenger side brake light works. The driver's side brake light does not work. It's not getting power or something. I'm gonna have to check the wiring or something eventually, but for now we're just gonna get another bulb, go get stuff to change oil. People are looking at me in the background. They're just staring.
What are those fish doing?
I don't know. What are we doing? Yeah, return that cart. That was so nice. You return that cart.
I'm a responsible adult.
It's been pretty much snowing all day, so all these parking spots are wet. Even under the overhang, there's like standing water. At a future date, I'll have to start to go through the electrical wires on the driver's side and see why the brake lights aren't working on that side. You do that side, I do this side. Teamwork. 2 filaments, you know what that means.
I don't know.
1 brake light, 1 tail light. It's science.
Okay.
Reverse light and tail light brake light combo bulb. Hazards. Yeah, still just the right side. Not the left side. Reverse lights don't work and nothing on the left side as far as brake lights work. At least both tail lights work. I got it, but holy shit. Kids these days. Snowing pretty good now, but our oil is changed. Had to get done, just picked, you know, the perfect day to do it, right?
This is a fantastic day to do auto mechanic work.
Oh yeah. She's coming down good now.
Look at the bag. You can tell.
Yeah, the bag is just full of snow. She's really coming down now. I had to pull off the external mic because it does not like moisture, and it's really coming down. It's about as far as we're gonna get today. Nothing too crazy, but a little bit of progress, you know? Progress is progress. Needed to be done. Thanks for your help, man.
Hey, no problem.
Did a good
I
job.
stand around watching you work like no one's business.
Yeah, you did a good job at it. Annie banani. Every day.
Every time she's gonna get nailed.
I have two people I need to thank in today's vlog, and those people are Gentry Smith and Kenneth Wilmot. Kenneth and Gentry and Kenneth, thank you guys so much for becoming Patreon pledges and supporting this journey. Alright everybody, thank you as always for hanging out with us. We will see you tomorrow.